Hey everybody, we're here at Miles Smith Farm on Easter, and today I have a special treat. We're going to have a little session with the ducks, and then we'll go out and see our new calf called Emma Mae. Look who's out. This isn't where they belong. That's Mary and his sidekick Lucy. Looks like they've been in the hay. They're going to go back to Mom. This is the baby. Her name's Emma Mae. How you doing, little baby, huh? So we're out in the field now with Miss Olivia, and it looks like this is one of the Riley, or Black Diamond. She kind of separated herself from the herd, but she's not in labor, so we're just gonna, she's chewing her cud. No calf there. And this is part of the forest here. We checked out, there's a couple cows over here, and they aren't in labor. So we're gonna walk, we are missing one cow. We're missing Missy. So we're gonna walk over there and see if she's over there. Here's Barbie getting her morning hug. Missy still happily eating hay. No baby here, and she's getting her morning hug. And behind me, I have a very interested Sarah. Signing off from Miles Smith Farm.